I'm so excited. Wife's out of town, but I'm actually so excited because the Olympics have started. I'm a huge Olympic fan since bachpan ki baat hai bhai. I was a child, I used to watch the Olympics. Moscow was the first one I watched. I watched every Olympics. I know everything about the Olympics. I follow the Indian contingent in the Olympics. I can name all the athletes like P.T. Usha. It's called the week that wasn't. We're going to start with the spirit of the Olympics, which is, if I remember, the motto is higher, stronger, faster. Which should also be, I think, a promo for Hiranandani Constructions. You know, I mean, works for everything. He's a friend. He won't mind. All right, folks, in the spirit of these promos that are doing around, Cheer for India, we also have made an inspirational video message from our best athlete to all the great Indian athletes out there. Here it is.
हम होंगे कामयाब हम होंगे कामयाब हम होंगे कामयाब हम होंगे कामयाब हम होंगे कामयाब
All very nice, but Matosh, why were you bowling and batting? Cricket is not an Olympic sport.
No cricket in Olympic?
No, there's no cricket in the Olympics.
Then who watched the Olympic?
बस मातोश गया, sponsor गया, Olympics गया. A Mumbai businessman ordered a pizza for rupees 450, but instead lost 66,000 in an online fraud operation. He was duped by someone online pretending to be his local pizza delivery guy. Worst part, when the pizza reached him, it wasn't thin crust as he had requested. 66 grand. 66 grand in the wrong crust. All these credit card fraud stories point to one thing, folks. Bring back cash. You guys remember that period before demonetization known as pre-monetization? Okay, will B.S. Yediyurappa step down in Karnataka? As per Indian custom, he will step down if his son steps up. That's Bangaluru's version of Jante ho mera baap kaun hai? You know who's my papa? Yediyurappa. Now, vintage tags will be available for vehicles over 50 years of age. This is to preserve and promote heritage. So, if your car is 20 plus years, you'll be fined heavily. But if your car is 50 years plus, you will get love, respect and a celebratory tag. So, what the hell do we do with the car between 20 years and 50 years? I see, this is what I don't understand about customs. N.S. Sidhu has been accepted as State Congress Chief by Captain Amarinder Singh. However, the Punjab CM accepted Sidhu's elevation with a caveat. They must only communicate by text. As India started their white ball conquest of Sri Lanka, one of the Indian cricketers' biggest issues was solved in the last few minutes before the first game. The Lankan cricketers had their names written on their backs. Shekhar was like, "Oh, kaun hai? वो कौन है? अरे पृथ्वी, वो कौन है? अरे वो मिड-विकेट में कौन खड़ा है? वो है कौन?" It's very difficult. There are too many new players. It's very hard. Okay, Syrian President Bashar Assad was sworn in for the 4th term. Let us be very clear. It's the type of election where Assad gets to swear in himself. I swear myself to be the next president, as I was the last president. Lots more coming up, but first, the headlines. Pegasus Rao, ministers, journalists, public figures snooped on. Comedy nights back in Punjab with Sidhu. Also, a Bollywood hit by Porn Scam. All right, before we go into our top story, let's talk a second about the Olympics. We're also excited about the Olympics, but I think there's one sport which, if it was introduced, India would have won a gold for sure. And I'm talking about the sport of COVID. I mean, we have the numbers. We've had them for a while. Indonesia could have got a silver if it happened this week. It's just an option. Okay, let's go back to our top story. This week, we were hit with one which was called the Pegasus spyware phone tapping scandal, which I also call Bunty, because it just takes too long to say. Allegedly, smartphones of several ministers, politicians, journalists from India were allegedly, again I'm saying the word allegedly 3 times, bugged and tapped using a spy software called Pegasus and put on surveillance. To find out whether our government authorized this or not, joining us from India's Intelligence Bureau is a very intelligent man whose name is, I'll find out. Excuse me, sir, what is your name? What happened?
मैं सीक्रेट एजेंट हूँ, इंटेलिजेंस ब्यूरो। हम आपको नहीं बता सकते कि हमारा नाम जासूस सिंह गुप्ता है।
All right, Jasus Singh Gupta, welcome to the show.
तुम्हें कैसे पता हमारा नाम जासूस सिंह गुप्ता है?
But you just said Jasus.
Now, I may have to kill you. There is no option.
Okay, could you kill me after a few minutes because I want to get this off my chest. Let's talk about Pegasus.
ये बहुत बड़ा सीक्रेट है।
Right, I'll keep it between us. Nobody really watches anyway. Go on.
हम तुम्हें ये नहीं बता सकते कि पेगासस के जरिए हम सब लोगों का स्मार्टफोन टैप कर रहे हैं।
But you just told me, so you just... So whose phones were under surveillance now that you brought it up? Rahul Gandhi?
हो सकता है, हो सकता है।
Oh, wow, come on, tell us.
हाँ, राहुल गांधी का स्मार्टफोन हमने सर्वेलेंस पे डाला था।
Wow, and what info did you get from his smartphone exactly?
वाइटल इंफॉर्मेशन।
Vital information. What information?
Information that between him and his smartphone is smarter than him.
All this acting to come here and make this silly joke. Who else was under surveillance?
नहीं बता सकते, नहीं बता सकते। I cannot tell you. ममता बनर्जी।
Ah, my God, Mamta Banerjee. So what did you find out after listening to her? Please tell us. What? Go on.
We have to still find out.
How come?
Because after 20 minutes of listening to her talking continuously, 14 of my agents have gone deaf. कान फट गया उनका।
Wow, considering there were only 12 agents at the time, that's really spread. Who else?
कंगना रनावत।
Okay. So what did you find out from Kangana Ranaut's phone? I mean, what does she discuss? Who does she talk to? What does she talk about?
अरे कुछ नहीं, उनके फोन से कुछ भी नहीं पता चला। वो तो किसी के बारे में बात ही नहीं करती।
किसी की भी बारे में बात नहीं करती? What do you mean?
हाँ, क्योंकि वो सिर्फ अपने बारे में बात करती है।
Oh, sounds a lot like people on this show. I won't mention names. Okay, so who else's phone was tapped between you and me?
बस बस। I cannot tell you anything more. I cannot tell you that we had tapped Shashi Tharoor's phone. हम नहीं बता सकते।
I'm glad you didn't tell us that you tapped Shashi Tharoor's phone. I'm glad.
Yes. Hey, who told you?
Not you. Sources.
Then it's okay. It was very difficult. We had to get expert to listen to his conversations.
Experts to hear his conversations, and what did you find out?
Nothing. My experts are still studying the code book and trying to break his code.
What code book? What code?
The dictionary.
The dictionary. I knew it, the dictionary. All right. I heard a lot of journalists' phones were also tapped.
आपको मैंने तो नहीं बताया ना?
No, of course not. Twitter. I got it on Twitter.
Then it's okay. Yes, we had put some journalists under surveillance also, but not all. Only some.
So only some. Which ones?
Only those journalists about who we want to know, not those about who nation wants to know.
Yeah, I get it. But one last question. Why did the government feel the need to do this at all? I mean, why listen to people's phones?
क्योंकि अगर हम नहीं सुनते तो गवर्नमेंट को मन की बात कैसे पता चलती?
Right. And मन की बात हुई तो what about woman की बात? Between us. All right. Why are you doing shh all the time and looking left and right, sir, if you don't mind?
एक चूहा है इधर, वो लगाया है ट्रैप। वो चूहा फंसेगा तो
The chua will catch you, and let's hope it's not the wrong body part, because that can be very painful. I can tell you, once long ago in Lonavala, but don't want to get into it. Okay, the captain Amarinder Singh's battle with Navjot Singh Sidhu seemed to come to a conclusion this week, with the Congress High Command appointing Sidhu as head of the Punjab Congress, something the captain had been dead against. Now, to find out more, let's go straight to Patiala and meet the alleged spokesperson for Captain Amarinder Singh, Captain Angrezi Singh. Remember, he's not Amarinder, but he looks a little bit like him. Captain?
Yes,
We tried to get the real captain to join us today, but he flatly refused.
that is because Captain Amrinder Singh was against being part of your show.
Really, why?
Because unlike some other people, we think it below our dignity to participate in comedy shows.
Not unlike some other people. All people. All people. Nobody comes on this show. So let's talk about those other people that you may have mentioned. Navjot Singh Sidhu, I think.
What is there to talk about? You have to understand that the captain is a far bigger man.
Bigger man.
Yes, far bigger man. At least 100 kilos bigger.
I don't think I'll be allowed to go back to Punjab at this rate, but I thought you were going to talk about their stature.
Even their statures. The captain is a warrior. He is a true fighter. The captain has always fought his battles on the field, unlike that Sidhu who fights his battles on Twitter.
Yeah, but what is the problem? What is the actual issue between the captain and Sidhu? And what is the root of this problem?
The root of the problem is that Sidhu historically has a problem with the word captain itself.
Now you've lost me. With the word captain, he has a problem.
You can ask Muhammad Azharuddin.
Oh, I get it. With captains in the past, he had a problem. Okay, good, fair enough. So is the captain upset that Sidhu quietly went behind his back?
I don't think that's true.
That he went behind the captain's back is not true?
No, that he quietly went behind captain's back. Quiet isn't the word we associated with Sidhu.
This has been a real waste of time as far as conversations go so far, but I'll keep trying. Let's go on. Let's talk about the party's decision to back Sidhu instead of the captain.
Oh, the party. See, change is inevitable. The great Indian Congress Party, it is slowly changing.
Changing to what?
By backing Sidhu, it is changing from the great Indian Congress Party to the Great Indian Laughter Challenge.
Come on, seriously, why did the Congress party decide to back Sidhu instead of the captain? I mean, that's outranking him in a way.
I think the decision was more Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi's.
How come?
I think Rahul was just tired of outsiders laughing at him, so he went and supported an insider who can laugh loudly.
No more jokes, please, no more jokes. So, what do you think their reasons are?
See, at the moment, Punjab is one of only 6 states that the Congress is in power.
Right, right. So, what you're saying is that Rahul and Priyanka wanted to strengthen the Congress's power in your state.
No, Rahul and Priyanka want to strengthen their own power in the Congress.
Right, right. Now that is saying something. But finally, can you tell us how did the captain decide to deal with this?
The captain is now looking at options,
Which are? What kind of options?
like getting Archana Puran Singh.
I'll repeat. So, how would you like to deal with this?
Koi hai?
What was that random thing he did just there? Nobody can understand. Can the actor stay in character? Because we are here trying to figure out what's going on. We have an actor who's worse than Sidhu is for Congress in Punjab. He's just not following our script. He just took off. I'm sorry about that. We have to take a break. We've got our own Sidhu to rein in. And when we come back, hopefully we'll have some discipline in our party. Welcome back to the week that wasn't. We have brought our actors under control. The older ones who were giving trouble have now been locked up. So we'll carry on with the rest of the show with the younger one, by the way. Welcome back. Europe flood toll reached 170 over this past week. 170 dead across Western Europe. Poor, poor Europe. Meanwhile, Bhayandar in Mumbai's flood toll from yesterday night alone was 173. No one saying poor Bhayandar. It's just a mention and gone. That's it, one line. Western Europe is collapsing under the pressure. Everyone is so excited, folks, about Tokyo 2020, which is actually 2021. 11,000 participants using common dining areas, common gymnasiums, common leisure and business centers, all-purpose linen centers for cleaning. This means athletes can hope for 4 things: gold, silver, bronze, COVID. So you can actually get 2. You can get silver and COVID. Imagine. Okay, let's learn about our Olympic champions. Know these names? Bajrang Punia, Manu Bhakar, Revati Viramani. No, you can't. Okay, all right. Don't worry, be patient. August 4th, India versus England. Virat, Spreet, Chiteshwar. Much easier. Everybody knows those names. So simple. Back to sport. Okay. But we all know of Mary Kom. Everyone remembers Mary Kom. But there was some confusion first week of the Olympics, first few days, when Priyanka Chopra, actress who played Mary Kom in the biopic, tried to gain accreditation to India's boxing team. Guys, you're acting. You're not really the person. It's like the gentleman who was playing Angrezi Singh before the break. And he just wandered around doing his own thing, disconnected from our show. Catch that man and put him in jail. Okay, last week the Mumbai police arrested Raj Kundra for allegedly making pornographic films. Let's find out more about this world, the so-called blue film industry. We don't know if he was guilty or not. But in the meantime, we've met someone who's a veteran, a legend, apparently an award-winning performer, whatever that means. His name, Goga Prakash. Veteran director, screenwriter, and his company name is Dirty Pictures. All right. Goga Prakash ji, welcome to the show.
Hi.
You describe yourself as head writer and director for Dirty Picture Company, sir.
Yes. I'm an award-winning director from the blue film industry.
I'm getting goosebumps, you know. It's such an honor for me to I finally get someone I respect and honor. I mean, I'm emotional. Give me a second. You said, excuse me, award-winning?
Yes. I have won 3 Rosie Palm Awards and 4 Blue Cockatoo Awards. I'm also nominated this year for a bloody BAFTA.
Wow, did you say BAFTA?
No, I said bloody BAFTA. It's the adult industry's version of the BAFTA. BAP of BAFTA.
BAP of BAFTA, bloody BAFTA. My respect has gone up. What is BAFTA? BAFTA is nothing. This is something. BAP of BAFTA. I see. So you claim to have launched many careers.
Yes, today's big stars were all launched by me. For example, Priyanka.
Chopra.
No, Sharma. Also Anushka.
Sharma.
No, Pednekar. Also Bhumi.
Pednekar.
No, Kapoor.
This is not funny, sir. Every time it's like a bakra, you're bowling this ball that goes the other way. I've never heard of any of these names.
Yes, but you have seen them.
Meaning?
Meaning adult film actors you don't hear of, you see.
I see.
You saw?
No, I see.
Oh, you see, I see.
Right, I see, you see. So tell us, how did you get started in this business?
Oh, I started as an actor many years ago.
In adult films?
Yes, and I noticed 3 things that needed improvement.
Which were?
The script, the costumes, and the dialogue.
Wow, I thought body parts for a second. मैं तो मर गया. Okay, but you know, between you and me, adult films have very little scripts, even less costumes, and virtually no dialogue.
That's what I wanted to change. I vowed to improve the industry standards. Today I can proudly say I did.
Really?
My movie, Jungle Mein Toofan, the prequel, won Best Costume Design at Cannes.
An adult film with costumes?
Only for the first few seconds.
Fair enough. But what are your budgets like, if you don't mind me asking a more private question?
Well, that depends. They can go from 5 lakhs to 50 crores.
Wow.
Yeah, 5 lakhs if I'm the producer.
And 50 crores?
Well, if the heroine's uncle is the producer.
Amazing. 5 lakhs is his worst pornographic film, and 5 lakhs is our yearly budget. Unbelievable. Okay, big question. Is Raj Kundra involved in the adult industry, yes or no?
Only as a consumer. Bollywood people are not trained to work in our industry. They are underqualified.
So Bollywood is underqualified for the porn industry?
Yes, they don't know the ABC of porn. See the early works of Rohit Shetty, Sanjay Leela Bansali, even Mahesh Bhatt. Not blue enough.
Wow, just not blue enough. I see.
You keep saying I see, but are you going to try your hand at porn again?
Again?
Yes, yes, I have your audition tapes.
Stop that, stop that. I would never. I mean, frankly, it's a filthy industry. Don't feel bad, but I'm sorry to tell you, it's a terrible thing. Worst thing in the world.
Stop saying that. There are worse things than the porn industry out there.
Really worse in the porn industry? Please name one, sir.
There is COVID, Kim Jong-un's haircut, roadies, the angry guy on the other news channel,
Okay.
Sushil Kumar's demands in prison, Mumbai Rains, your TV show, your script, your
Getting the point, getting the point. Okay, okay.
countries not accepting Covaxin, the actors in your show, that fat guy.
Can't argue, that's fine.
You want me to get personal?
No, no, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. I think someone's calling you.
अरे वो ऑडिशन के लिए भाभी जी आने वाली थी, सविता भाभी. क्या हुआ? क्या रंजीता भाभी आई हैं? भेज दो. क्या नाम से क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Took a long pause there because you, the viewer, and me, also sort of the viewer, are waiting to see if we can see what's happening there. But उसके आगे बंद हो गया picture. I'm so sorry. At that point, they shut everything. There's some kind of Wi-Fi issue. Ready? एक बार trial हो गया. चलो, let's go.
हाँ, ये वाले करते हैं.
Cue the prompter.
Timing has to be as bad.
हाँ, आई नो. चलो, रेडी? ये देखो. हाय हाय हाय.
चल, wig manufacturer.